Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we're going to be checking out this 2024 Chevrolet Trax Activ. Now before we get started with the video, make sure you guys check out the links in my description or in the pinned comment if you guys want the absolute best deal on the Chevy Trax or on any new or used vehicle. But let's go ahead and take an in-depth look at the Chevy Trax Activ. We're going to take a look at the inside, outside, and all the features that this vehicle comes with. So this is the 2024 Chevrolet Trax Activ. This one is finished in the sterling gray metallic, and underneath the hood you're going to have a 1.2 liter turbo 3-cylinder motor. That motor is going to give you 137 horsepower and 162 foot-pounds of torque. Now this is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, and gas mileage on this vehicle is going to be 28 miles per gallon city, 32 highway, with a combined rating of 30 miles per gallon. Up front, you can see our lighting accents up here. So you have your turn signals, you have your headlights, and you have this LED running strip up top. Up front on the grille, we're going to have bronze accents in the lower portion, and inside the grille, as you can see there. You also have your black Chevrolet bow tie, but overall it has a very nice, modern, sporty looking front end. Moving to the side, we have 18-inch wheels wrapped in Goodyear Assurance tires. So the size on these tires is going to be 225, 55 18s. They're the same size up front as they are in the back. Moving to the side on the Activ, you also notice we have our roof rail system, blacked out window surrounds, and blacked out mirrors. This one also does have the keyless entry on the doors, so you can push this button right here to lock or unlock the vehicle with the key in your pocket. Moving to the back, we also have a very sporty looking rear end. These taillights back here wrap up into the rear fenders. We also do have this spoiler up here that gives it a very sporty appearance. Black Chevrolet bow tie in the back, Trax Activ badging back here as well. And towards the lower portion, we also do have that copper accent as well. Has a manual lift gate, so you can push up on that. And inside of here, we have all of our storage space. So you can also lift up on this and reveal your spare tire. So it is a donut spare tire. But we have storage pockets on the left side and plenty of storage space back here as well. This one also does have the cargo cover, and the seats do fold down if you need extra storage space. To put down the tailgate, you can just manually put it back down with your hands, just like that. Here's your full fill up on the left side. Has the capless gas fill system, so no need to unscrew or screw in a gas cap. Doors are very plain on this vehicle. It's covered in hard plastic all the way around, as you can see there. You have your door handle, your window controls, and we have a very beautiful interior on this vehicle. So it's kind of like a beige with black accents on the inside, as you can see there. Plenty of space here for 2 full-size adults. Let me go ahead and sit back here so you guys can get an idea of the space. So I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day. I have plenty of legroom back here. Very good headroom, surprisingly. That's about eye level for me. I have my light controls back here. We have handles, everything we need for a comfortable ride. We also do have a USB-C and a USB with a storage pocket right underneath. Moving up front on this vehicle, we have those same black plastic designs, but up front we have the brown leather with the yellow stitching. For our doors, we're going to have our unlock and lock, all of our mirror controls, and all of our window controls as well. You also do have storage up top and below. Up front for the driver's seat, we're going to have a full power seat, so you can move it forwards, backwards, up, down. You can recline, decline, and adjust your lumbar. Same setup up here for the colors, but we have yellow piping, as you can see there, with the Activ in the headrest. Let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at the interior features. So here's our AC vents that are covered in that kind of copper looking material. We have 2 AC vents in the middle and 1 for the passenger. Really cool looking dashboard up here. As you can see, it kind of has a very unique design embossed into that plastic. But this one is push button start, so I'll go ahead and put my foot on the brake and start this vehicle up. Now we have a leather wrapped steering wheel with all of our cruise control buttons. We have our forward collision and a heated steering wheel as well. Hands-free voice commands, call dropping, and we can navigate the center menu by going up and down or hitting enter. You also do have quick tabs for your music or your phone. Now behind the steering wheel on the right side, you can scroll up or down through your volume, and on the left side you can go up or down through your music presets. We have a manually adjustable steering wheel, so you can pull down on that and you can push it out, in, up, or down. You have all of your windshield wiper controls on the right side, and on the left side you have your automatic high beams and light controls. You'll notice we have automatic light controls in this vehicle, and you can adjust the brightness of the center display as well. In the center display, we're going to see our miles per gallon, our fuel range, and how many miles this vehicle has on it. Super simple design, no need to overcomplicate everything. Down below, we have our hood latch to open up the hood to reveal that 1.2 liter turbo 3-cylinder. In the middle, we're going to have our wireless charging pad, USB-C, USB, and a cigarette lighter port. Moving to the middle, we have our automatic stop-start, lane keep assist, 2 cup holders, and our shifter. So if you want to shift this vehicle, you can just put your hand up front, pull back on the switch up here, and you can go into reverse. Now, when you go into reverse, we just have our standard backup camera. You can also go into neutral, drive, or L mode. When you're in L mode, you can shift up or down through the gears with these little buttons on the side of the shifter. We have an electronic parking brake, storage here in the middle, and our center console with plenty of space. For more storage, you have your glove box as well, as you can see there. We have all of our AC controls here in the middle, so you can have it on cool or heat. You can also turn up or down the fan speed on the right side. We have heated seats on the driver and passenger side. And moving up, we have this very nice infotainment screen. So this vehicle comes equipped with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, climate, settings, and our Wi-Fi hotspot. You also do have your quick buttons for your music, phone, traction control, and your vehicle status. So in this menu, you can see your trip odometers, you can see all of your gauges, and you can also see what maintenance your vehicle needs. Super simple display right there. Really has a nice modern feel inside this vehicle. You can't beat the technology you get for the price. We also have our rear view mirror, all of our OnStar buttons, light controls, and this vehicle does come equipped with a sunroof. So you have a manually opening or closing sunshade. If you want to open up the sunroof, you can just hit this button and it will open up automatically for you. Now you can close that up by hitting the opposite side. And it also does have tilt, so you can tilt up the sunroof with this button or tilt it back down. Let's go ahead and close that back. But overall, we have a very nice interior on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and take one last look at the outside and see how much this thing costs. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of the 2024 Chevrolet Trax Activ? It is definitely very appealing from the outside, but it is lacking in horsepower and torque. Here's a look at that rear end again. But let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at the window sticker. So, window sticker is in the glove box. Let's go ahead and open that up and check it out. So, this is the 2024 Chevrolet Trax Activ. This one is sterling gray metallic with a jet black and Artemis interior, 1.2 liter turbo with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Base price of the Activ is going to be $23,900. This one has the sunroof and it has the driver confidence package. So with that destination charge, this brings the vehicle price out to $26,540. Like I said before, gas mileage on this vehicle is going to be 28 city, 32 highway with 30 miles per gallon combined. So do you guys think this vehicle is worth the $26,540 price tag? Let me know in the comments down below. But guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys leave a like on this video. Subscribe down below for more car content. Also, if you guys want the absolute best deal on the Chevy Trax, make sure you check out the links in the description or in the pinned comment. But that's it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching until the very end, and I'll see you next time.